Hey, what's going on? Arvin here. Welcome to Driven to Draw. And today we're going to be showing you how to draw a camera lens on a post-it note. Let's get started. Alright folks, another exciting episode of Driven to Draw, and today I'm going to be drawing a camera, and we're going to be a camera lens, and I'm going to start off with using some basic foundational shapes to construct the form, because all objects can be created by breaking them down to their fundamental form. So before we continue, be sure to subscribe if you like this kind of content and you want to learn something new, and I'm hoping to kind of simplify everything for you as you are on your quest to become a better sketcher. So as I start here, what I've done so far is to create a sort of isometric view box, or it's at best maybe a slight amount of convergence for a 2-point perspective, and I'm going to draw an ellipse inside of that box. In this particular example, I'm just kind of freestyling it. Most of the time when I draw these ellipses, I break down the box and dissect it in half and do the full construction, and I'll show you that in another tutorial as I'm drawing a wheel. But this is just a freehand sketch to try to create an ellipse that is touching roughly the center of the 4 sides of that box that's going to be in perspective. So once I do that freehand, I draw another offset curve to give it some thickness, and I draw another ellipse off of that, which is going to create my actual lens, my camera lens, which I've increased the size of it compared to the reference. And I'm just going to darken up, add a little bit of cross-hatching shading here on the side. I'm going to add it to the lens to give a little bit of reflection, and that's kind of what I've done here in the center. So when you look at the center, you can see that there's darker shading that's accounting for the reflection on that lens. And we're almost done here. I'm just going to draw some sections here to describe what the shape is doing in perspective or in this isometric view. And that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time on the next video. Have a good one.